If you want to create a black screen in CapCut, whether it's for a pause, a transition, a title card, or just to separate parts of your video, this is a super quick and easy trick that can make your edit look much cleaner and more professional. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add a black screen in CapCut, adjust its length, and make sure it fits perfectly into your timeline. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing tips just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your project in the CapCut app. If you already have a video started, just tap into that project so you can work inside the timeline. If you're creating a new edit, start by importing your footage and getting into the main editing screen. Once you're in the project, look at the bottom menu and tap on Media. This is where CapCut lets you add different clips and assets into your edit. After that, navigate to the Library tab. The library is where you'll usually find built-in media options and stock elements that CapCut makes available for your project. Once you're in the library, use the search bar and type black screen. In many versions of CapCut, you'll see a plain black clip appear near the top of the menu, or you may see a simple black background option that you can use the same way. Now tap Add if you're on mobile, or drag the black clip straight onto your timeline if you're using CapCut on desktop. As soon as it's added, you'll see it placed in your sequence just like any other clip. This black screen can be used anywhere in your video, at the beginning, between scenes, or at the end as a fade-out style moment. Once the black clip is in your timeline, the next step is to adjust its duration. Just tap the clip and drag either edge to make it longer or shorter, depending on how much time you want the black screen to stay on screen. If you only need a quick visual break, make it very short. If you want a longer pause or a full black background for text, extend it more. This is really useful if you're adding captions, sound effects, or a dramatic transition. You can also move the black screen around in your timeline if you want it to appear at a different point in the video. For example, you might place it right before a new scene, after an intro, or at the very end before the video cuts off. That flexibility makes it a simple but powerful editing tool. If you're using the black screen for a title card or text overlay, you can add text on top of it afterward to keep everything looking clean and readable. Since the background is fully black, white or bright text usually stands out very well. That's one of the reasons creators use black screens so often in edits. So to recap, open your CapCut project, tap Media, go to Library, search for black screen, add the plain black clip to your timeline, and then drag the edges to set the exact duration you need. That's all it takes to create a black screen in CapCut in just a few seconds. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.